Arduino boards are an awesome platform for practical learning of the basic sensors and other components. And with TinkerCAD, we can pretty much learn Arduino without using any hardware at all. We will be starting at the bottom of the difficulty ladder and move up to more complex projects. If you have no hardware or any knowledge of coding, this video series is for you. Welcome to Volts Electronics. We can learn how to use the Arduino without any hardware or in-depth knowledge in coding or electronics. Only an account in TinkerCAD and we can start playing with Arduino. We'll learn the codes and connections as we build our projects. So first, go to the TinkerCAD website and create your account. You can simply use your existing accounts to join up. You can use one of your accounts to join up or sign up with email. I'm just going to use my Google account. After sign in, you'll end up here. You can do some pretty cool stuff in here, but for now our focus is the circuits tab. So let's click here and select the new circuit. This is the workplace. We can drag and drop different parts around here and move them around and connect wires. But let's get rid of this for now and find the Arduino. If you select the Arduino, you can see there are a lot of pre-made examples for you to try. But we're going to take a look at the basic Arduino first. So all components and write Arduino. And there it is. This is called the Arduino Uno. It has 14 pins for digital input and 6 input and 6 analog pins for analog input. For analog output, these 5 pins are used, but more on that later. For power supply, you can use the USB port, the DC jack, or this VIN pin. The 3.3 and 5 volt pins are for providing power to the connected sensors and modules, and ground will be connected to the negative terminal of the components. We'll learn each pin in detail when we use them with different sensors. Today, we'll focus just on the digital pins. We need an LED and a resistor, so let's find them. Here's our resistor. You can click here to rotate the component and LED. Here's my LED. Now make sure you have the polarity right. Okay, so this is the plus terminal and this is the negative terminal. And if we connect the wires, you can click on one pin and connect it here. Same here. And this one goes to ground. Now the basic program for LED is a blink program. If you don't know how to code, you can follow the layout or just copy my code directly. And we are not using blocks. Because when you finally use the hardware, the blocks won't help you. You have to write the codes. And we're going to write our own over here. Click continue. Let's delete these as well. So Arduino code has two main parts. In void setup, we give some basic data to the Arduino, and void loop is the part that runs over and over again as long as Arduino has power. In setup, we need to tell the Arduino that we are going to use the 3-pin digital pin as our output. So pin mode, the command is pin mode. Sorry about that. Pin mode, and we're going to use pin number 3, so pin 3, and we're going to use it as an output. So output. And one more thing you need to remember, that every line inside the blocks must end with a semicolon. Okay, now in void loop, to turn the LED on, we'll need to set the pin to 5 volt. The command for this is digital write. And we're going to use it number 3 pin, and we're going to set it to high. High means 5 volts. And after that, we're going to make the Arduino wait for 1 second using the delay command. Delay. The delay command uses the microsecond units. So if you want 1 second delay, it will be 1000 microseconds. And then after 1 second keeping it on, we're going to set the pin to 0 volt, and that will turn the LED off. Same command here. 3, but this time this is going to be low. And then again 1 second delay over here. Now this is in the loop section, so this part we learn over and over again. So 1 second on, then 1 second off, then on, then off. And so to see that, let's press start simulation. And you can see our LED is blinking. 1 second on, then 1 second off. Congratulations, we just made our first project. Moving forward, there is one thing you need to keep in mind when working with Arduino. Any Arduino project that you do has the exact same layout, no matter how big it seems. You have the Arduino, any sensor module, and their commands. There are some common keywords that we use to control all of them, and we already saw a few of them today. We will learn more as we study other modules. If you learned something new today, please leave a like and subscribe for more info on Arduino and electronics projects. That's it for today. Take care, everyone.